Hello everyone. How are you? Today I will discuss about top 3 drones. I have found this mouse through extensive research. I will discuss about all data so that different customer can purchase it. If you are new to my channel, then you are requested to subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that you can't miss my upcoming tech related videos. So, let's get started. 1 DJI FPV combo, first person view drone UAV quadcopter with 4K camera, S flight mode, super wide 150 degrees FOV, HD low latency transmission, emergency brake and hover, gray fly through the sky in ways that seem impossible. We never lost our passion for flying, and with DJI FPV, those passions have turned imagination into reality. With this immersive and intuitive aerial platform, get ready to go into the beyond. In the box: DJI FPV Drone X1, DJI FPV Intelligent Flight Battery X1, DJI FPV Propellers, Pair, X4, DJI FPV Gimbal Protector X1, DJI FPV Top Shell X1, DJI FPV Remote Controller 2 X1, DJI Spare Control Sticks, Pair, DJI FPV Goggles V2 X1, DJI FPV Goggles Antenna, Dual Band, X1, DJI FPV Goggles Battery X1, DJI FPV Goggles Power Cable, USB-C, X1, DJI FPV Goggles Headband X1, DJI FPV Goggles Foam Padding X1, DJI FPV AC Power Adapter X1, DJI FPV AC Power Cable X1, USB-C Data Cable X1, USB-C OTG Cable X1, 2 DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, Drone Quadcopter UAV with Optical Zoom Camera 3-Axis Gimbal 4K Video 12MP 1/2.3 cm Sensor, up to 48 miles per hour, Gray DJI Mavic 2 Zoom Drone Quadcopter with 24 to 48 mm Optical Zoom Camera Video UAV 12MP 1/2. 3 CMOS Sensor, US version. 3 DJI Mavic Air 2, Drone Quadcopter UAV with 48MP camera 4K Video 8K Hyperlapse 1/2 CMOS Sensor 3-Axis Gimbal 34 minutes Flight Time Active Track 3.0 OCU Sync 2.0, Gray. Mavic Air 2 takes power and portability to the next level, offering advanced features in a compact form factor. Intelligent shooting functions and excellent image quality put aerial masterpieces within reach. Safer, smarter flight enables you to up your game while fully enjoying the creative process. In the box: Mavic Air 2 Aircraft ×1, Remote Controller ×1, Intelligent Flight Battery ×1, Low Noise Propellers, Pair, ×3, RC Cables, USB Type-C, ×1, RC Cables, Lightning, ×1, on Remote Controller, RC Cables, Standard Micro USB, ×1, Spare Control Sticks, Pair, ×1, Gimbal Protector ×1, Battery Charger ×1, Manuals ×1, AC Power Cable ×1, Type-C Cable ×1, DJI Mavic Mini Combo Drone Quadcopter 2.7K Camera, less than 0.55 pounds, 30-minute flight time with Samsung 128GB micro SDXC 100MB/S memory card and adapter. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.